Okay, 14G, its forces at an angle. We have the diagram. We have a 5 kilo mass so it has weight coming down, which is 5G, so that's your weight. And R is your normal, which is always perpendicular to the plane. Then you've got a force of 10 newtons being acted on at 30 degrees. Okay, so that's our setup. We have been told to find the acceleration. Now, a question like this, we're going to look at horizontally is our I direction and vertically is our J direction. We always set that up where we're going. So we need to, well, the way I like to look at this is look at horizontally first. So I talk about I. Actually, I'm going to talk about vertically first. Sorry. I always break it down to vertically and horizontally in each direction. Now, vertically, we've got R going straight up, because I'm saying up is positive, down is negative. I have the weight, which will be take 5G, because it's going down. Now I have to resolve this at an angle into two. Now I'm going to have a vertical component and a horizontal component. Oh, sorry, that's a bit uneven. The vertical component will be 10 sine 30. The horizontal will be 10 cos 30. So in my vertical, I've got 10 sine 30. These are all the forces that are acting in a vertical direction. Now our mass, as it's being pulled along, is not actually moving in the vertical. So, because if you think about it, here's my mass and it's being pulled and it's moving along this way, but there's no vertical movement. Okay, so no vertical movement. So that means R plus negative 5G plus 10 sine 30 equals 0. Okay, is everybody happy with that? So obviously I could write that R equals 5G minus 10 sine 30. What's the sine of 30? 30's up there. 1, 2, root 3. So sine is opposite. It's a half. So it'll be 5G take 5 is my R. That's my normal. Now, horizontally speaking, we've got 10 cos 30 in the horizontal. So that's my force. My force is equal to 10 cos 30. So mass times acceleration, 10 cos 30 will be 5 root 3, because cos is root 3 on 2. So my mass is 5. So my acceleration will be 5 root 3 on 5, which is just root 3 meters per second squared. So for this question, this was actually irrelevant, but sometimes you do have to look at it in the vertical. So it's always good to have a look to know that if I've got a question like this, I look horizontal and I look vertical. There we go.